When testing a control board terminal with a multimeter, a steady reading of infinite resistance or 0 volts during an activation call indicates an open circuit and requires immediate wiring or component repair. Use a digital multimeter set to the appropriate function, voltage for live checks and continuity or resistance for wiring tests. Begin by confirming the system is in a safe state and that power is applied where expected. For low voltage control circuits, that usually means 24 volts alternating current for many heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, but verify the manufacturer specification first. To test for an open circuit under load, have a helper or the system controller issue the activation call while you measure voltage at the terminal. No voltage present during the call strongly suggests an open. If voltage is present but the downstream device does not operate, switch to the continuity or resistance function with power removed and test between the terminal and the device. Infinite resistance or an open reading indicates a break. Inspect connectors, terminal screws, wire insulation, and any intermediate relays or fuses visually and with a tug test to find intermittent faults. Corrosion or partially broken conductors often require retermination or replacement. When repairing, use appropriate gauge stranded wire, proper crimp or screw terminations, and dielectric grease on low voltage connections where moisture is a concern to prevent recurrence. The 3 most common issues are broken or frayed conductors that show infinite resistance and require replacing the damaged section and reterminating with proper connectors. Corroded or loose terminal screws that cause intermittent opens and are solved by cleaning, tightening, or replacing the terminal block. And failed intermediary components such as relays or fuses that pass no voltage during the activation call and must be tested in circuit and swapped with known good parts or replaced according to the schematic. For each problem, always isolate power before continuity testing, document wire colors and terminal designations before disconnecting, and verify the repair by repeating the activation test and confirming consistent voltage and device operation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with verified local contractors who specialize in electrical and control system repairs, making it easier to find technicians experienced in diagnosing open circuits and performing safe repairs. Contractors can list services and receive qualified leads for jobs that match their expertise, streamlining finding work and building local reputation.